Is Ally Bank safe? This is a question that many people have been asking lately, especially in light of recent bank failures. In this video, we'll dive deep into Ally Bank's stability, its insurance coverage, and its track record to determine if it's a safe place for your hard-earned money. Ally Bank, formerly known as Ally Financial, is a digital bank that has gained popularity in recent years. It offers a range of banking services, including checking and savings accounts, CDs, and investment options. But with the recent banking crises, it's natural to wonder, is my money safe with Ally Bank? Let's break down the key factors that contribute to Ally Bank's safety and security. 1. Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, insurance. What is FDIC insurance? Explain how the FDIC insures deposits in banks and credit unions. Highlight the maximum coverage limit per depositor, per insured bank, for each ownership category, single, joint, etc. Is Ally Bank FDIC insured? Confirm that Ally Bank is indeed FDIC insured. Reassure viewers that their deposits are protected up to the FDIC's maximum limit. 2. Ally Bank's financial strength. Strong capital position. Discuss Ally Bank's capital adequacy ratio, which measures its financial strength and ability to absorb losses. Explain how a strong capital position contributes to a bank's stability. Profitability and growth. Highlight Ally Bank's consistent profitability and growth over the years. Discuss how these factors indicate a healthy and sustainable business model. 3. Regulatory oversight. Federal Reserve oversight. Explain that Ally Bank is regulated by the Federal Reserve, one of the most stringent regulatory bodies in the financial industry. Discuss the rigorous oversight and compliance requirements imposed on banks by the Fed. Regular examinations and stress tests. Highlight the periodic examinations and stress tests conducted by regulators to assess a bank's financial health. Reassure viewers that these measures help identify and mitigate potential risks. 4. Diversified business model. Multiple revenue streams. Discuss Ally Bank's diversified business model, which includes retail banking, auto finance, and corporate finance. Explain how this diversification helps reduce reliance on any single business segment. Risk management practices. Highlight Ally Bank's robust risk management practices, which help mitigate various financial risks. 5. Customer reviews and reputation. Positive customer feedback. Share positive customer reviews and testimonials about Ally Bank. Discuss how these reviews reflect customer satisfaction with the bank's services and customer support. Strong online presence and mobile app. Highlight Ally Bank's user-friendly online platform and mobile app. Explain how these digital tools empower customers to manage their finances conveniently. Recent banking failures. Briefly discuss the recent bank failures and how they differ from Ally Bank's situation. Emphasize that Ally Bank is a well-capitalized and well-regulated institution. Online banking security. Address concerns about online banking security. Reassure viewers that Ally Bank employs advanced security measures to protect customer information. Based on the factors we've discussed, Ally Bank appears to be a safe and reliable financial institution. Its strong capital position, FDIC insurance, regulatory oversight, and positive customer reviews contribute to its overall stability. However, it's essential to conduct your own research and consider your specific financial needs before making any decisions. Remember, no bank is entirely risk-free, but Ally Bank has a solid track record and a commitment to customer satisfaction. If you're looking for a safe and convenient banking option, consider opening an account with Ally Bank. You can learn more about their products and services by visiting their website or contacting their customer support team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.